How to change phone number on Microsoft account. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the phone number on your Microsoft account. Whether you got a new number or want to update your recovery info, this guide will help you step by step, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the following website and make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal bars and simply go to your info. This will take you to your information page. Scroll down until you find an option that says Edit Account Info and tap on it. Now you'll need to simply verify by entering the code that has been sent to your mail. Simply do that. Now in phone number, simply tap on Add Phone Number or click on Manage Your Phone Number. Here what you need to do is simply add a new number and click on Next and choose whether you want to receive a text message or phone call for verification. Once you verify your phone number, your new phone number will be added. Now you can simply remove the old phone number. That's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on your Microsoft account.